Hey there gamers! Ever found yourself stuck at the dreaded "please wait while we start your update" screen on Epic Games Launcher? Fear not, I've got your back. In this guide, I'll walk you through simple steps to tackle these issues head on, so you can get back to your game hassle-free. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Solution 1. Turn off Windows Firewall and Virus Threat Protection. To do this, click on the search icon, then type Firewall. Then click on Firewall and Network Protection. Next, toggle off Microsoft Defender Firewall for domain, private, and public networks. Grant permission when prompted. After that, search for Windows Security. Open Windows Security and click on Virus and Threat Protection. Navigate to Manage Settings. In the Virus and Threat Protection settings, toggle off Real-Time Protection and confirm for Cloud-Delivered Protection. Automatic Sample Submission and Tamper Protection. Reboot your computer and check for the error. Solution 2. Delete Epic Games Launcher web caches. To do this, click on the search icon, type Run, and hit Enter. Then type %local app data% and press Enter. Next, open the Epic Games Launcher folder. Then access the save folder and delete the web cache folder. Reboot your computer and check for the error upon restart. Solution 3. Change Epic Games Launcher's properties. To do this, right-click on the Epic Games Launcher desktop icon, then select Properties. At the target field, add a space at the end and type -http = WiniNet, and after that, just click Apply and then OK. Open Epic Games Launcher to see if the issue persists. Solution 4. Run Epic Games Launcher with admin privileges. For this, close the Epic Games Launcher entirely from the system tray. Then right-click on the desktop icon, select Run as Administrator. Next, confirm by clicking Yes. Check if the error persists. It should now open without a hitch. And there you have it. The "please wait while we start your update" error on Epic Games Launcher should be a thing of the past. If you found this video helpful, then drop a like and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any kind of questions, then please ask them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.